Now, your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Jordan Wolfe.
Well, we are tracking some snow in the forecast. The National Weather Service has placed all of these counties here in purple under a winter weather advisory that lasts from now through this afternoon. Let's highlight these counties here. We have Joe Daviess County, Stevenson County, and Carroll County, and Winnebago County here in Illinois, as well as Greene and Rock counties in Wisconsin. That's where we could see some of those higher snow totals. Those snow totals, speaking of those, coming up here in just a moment. But right now we are looking at the radar image. Right now we are seeing this system that's working its way in. Notice as it moved through Iowa, it had mostly rain that was attached to it, but as it's encountering now into southern Wisconsin as well as Illinois, getting some of that colder air that's working in, allowing some of that to come down now as snow showers. These darker blue colors, that's going to be those heavier snow showers that we'll be dealing with throughout the morning. We're seeing that now working its way in. That'll continue over the next few hours. That rain-snow line setting up right about here just south of the Rockford area. Our Mercy Health SkyTrack camera of downtown Rockford right now not really showing much of anything, but we are seeing those clouds that are now working their way in ahead of the system. As I mentioned before, temperatures are really going to be a big key here today as to how much snow that we can expect. We are seeing temperatures right now in the mid, even low 30s in some areas, but as temperatures will either stay steady or increase a little bit, that'll determine whether we get more rain or snow. As temperatures approach closer to 37, 38, 39 degrees, that's where we're going to end up seeing more of a rainfall. That'll stay mostly to the south. But those temperatures in the lower 30s, that's when we see that more snow that will be falling. Now here in Rockford, temperatures getting up to the mid and upper 30s by the time we get into the afternoon. That's when we'll dry out into the early part of the evening as well. So let's time all of this out here on Futurecast. We're seeing those snow showers now moving into the area over the next few hours. Those will continue to push out into the later part of the afternoon and evening. That winter weather advisory expiring at 1 p.m. And then we actually get drier skies there for the afternoon and into the evening as well. As far as potential totals that we are talking about, we could see roughly 1 to 3 inches in the parts highlighted here in blue, but to the south, that's right around an inch where we're seeing more of that rain that will be mixing in with this system. Now, as far as total rainfall that we are seeing, right around 1/4 of an inch to even 1/2 of an inch is possible with that. So recapping all this, we're talking about temperatures up right around 40 for the high today. That's after that snow moves out. That's when we get to that temperature. Now tonight, we're down to 30 degrees for our low temperature, so we're actually a little bit colder, but we will be dry. And into the day tomorrow as well, back up into the 40s, but we actually do stay dry for the day tomorrow, other than some rain showers working their way in for the later part of the day. Our 7-day forecast actually very wet. We get 40s for the middle part of the day, 49 for Sunday, so a little bit warmer and dry, but then that next system, a kind of carousel of systems working their way in, bringing us much more rain, but temperature is actually pretty close to where they should be for this time of year. Looking actually a pretty good forecast, but definitely spring-like as we head into the first week of April. David?
All right, thanks, Jordan. Just up and down with these temps all over the place.